Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best K18 Biomimetic Hair Science is probably one of the most revolutionary hair repair treatments to hit the market, utilizing a patented peptide technology that works at a molecular level to reconnect broken keratin chains, effectively reversing damage caused by chemical services, heat styling, and mechanical stress, promising to restore hair strength, softness, and bounce with just a few applications, making it a game changer for anyone struggling with compromised hair. Number 5. Olaplex N Degree.3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex N Degree.3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It's a quick and effective way to revitalize your hair's health. It actively repairs damage, targeting the core issues that affect your hair's integrity. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to resilience. Experience a noticeable difference as your hair becomes softer and significantly stronger. You'll love the renewed texture and vitality. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is formulated for you. It's designed to benefit every hair type. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for continuous improvement. What we like. This pre-shampoo treatment works in just 3 minutes to repair hair damage. It leaves your hair feeling softer and stronger. If you have damaged hair and need a quick, effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. This is a miracle leave-in product. It brought my hair back to life after bleaching. My hair feels soft and looks healthier. It is not greasy or heavy. I have very fine, color-treated hair that gets tangled easily. This product has made a huge difference. My hair is smoother, less tangled, and feels stronger. It also seems to be helping with breakage. Number 4. Olaplex N Degree.7 Bonding Oil. Introducing Olaplex N Degree.7 Bonding Oil, a revolutionary hair treatment designed to enhance your hair's natural beauty. It's perfect for all hair types, from coily to straight. Experience unparalleled shine and smoothness with this incredible oil. It visibly smooths and softens your hair, leaving it feeling luxurious and manageable. Protect your hair from heat styling with our advanced formula. It provides protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your hair stays healthy even when styled. Keep your hair color vibrant and enjoy up to 72 hours of frizz control. Say goodbye to unruly flyaways and hello to sleek, polished hair. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this bonding oil is your go-to solution. It's designed to work wonders on every texture. This powerful oil not only adds shine but also strengthens and repairs your hair from within. Achieve healthier, more resilient locks with every use. What we like. This bonding oil provides high shine and protects against heat. It visibly smooths and softens hair while controlling frizz for up to 72 hours. If you're looking for a product to add shine, protect from heat styling, and tame frizz, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a game changer for damaged hair, leaving it feeling stronger and healthier after just a few uses. The leave-in treatment is incredibly easy to use and doesn't weigh down my hair, making it a great addition to my routine. I've noticed a significant reduction in breakage and split ends since incorporating this into my hair care regimen. Number 3. L'Oréal Paris Elvive 8-Second Wonder Water. Introducing a revolutionary hair treatment that works wonders in just 8 seconds. Get ready for incredibly silky and shiny hair like never before. This rinse-out moisturizing treatment is designed to deliver visible results. Experience a transformation that leaves your hair feeling exceptionally smooth and looking brilliantly shiny. Harnessing the power of lamellar technology, this formula targets damaged areas of your hair. It helps to rebuild and smooth the hair cuticle for a healthier appearance. Achieving salon-quality hair at home has never been easier. Simply apply after shampooing, wait 8 seconds, and rinse for a noticeable difference. Give your hair the pampering it deserves with this intensive moisturizing treatment. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for a revitalized and radiant look. Discover the secret to beautiful hair with L'Oréal Paris Elvive's 8-Second Wonder Water. It's your shortcut to dream hair. What we like. This rinse-out treatment works in just 8 seconds to deliver silky, shiny-looking hair. It's a moisturizing treatment that transforms your locks. If you desire a quick and easy way to achieve smoother, glossier hair, you should try this. What people say. This product is a game changer for damaged hair, leaving it feeling soft and strong. I noticed a significant improvement in my hair's texture and shine after just a few uses. The leave-in treatment is easy to apply and doesn't weigh my hair down. Number 2. Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Conditioner. Discover the ultimate solution for damaged hair. Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate Conditioner is here to transform your hair. This powerful formula works to strengthen and repair weak, brittle strands. Experience visibly healthier hair with every wash. Enriched with citric acid, it helps to reinforce weakened hair bonds. This conditioner provides intensive care for compromised hair. Our gentle, sulfate-free formula cleanses without stripping essential moisture. It's the perfect choice for maintaining hair health. Whether your hair is chemically treated or heat-styled, this conditioner is designed for you. Restore your hair's strength and resilience. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Get ready to love your hair again with Redken ABC Conditioner. What we like. This conditioner is designed to strengthen and repair weak and brittle hair. It's formulated without sulfates to be gentle on your strands. If your hair is damaged and needs intensive strengthening and repair, this is the conditioner for you. What people say. It has been a game changer for my hair, making it feel softer and stronger. My hair feels significantly less damaged and more manageable after using this product. The leave-in treatment is easy to use and has visibly improved the texture of my hair. Number 1. Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Shampoo. Discover the ultimate solution for damaged hair. This powerful shampoo is designed to intensely repair and strengthen your locks. It effectively targets weak and brittle strands, helping to restore their resilience. Experience visibly healthier and stronger hair with every wash. Formulated without sulfates, it's gentle on your hair and scalp. This means you can achieve repair without compromising color vibrancy. Enriched with citric acid, it works to reinforce weakened bonds within the hair structure. This helps to prevent future damage and breakage. Keep your color looking fresh and vibrant while you repair. It's the perfect choice for color-treated hair needing extra care. Transform your hair from damaged to revitalized. Embrace the confidence of strong, healthy-looking hair. What we like. This shampoo is specifically formulated to repair damaged hair and strengthen weak strands. It's also sulfate-free and color-safe, protecting your investment. If you have damaged or color-treated hair and are looking for a strengthening shampoo, this is an excellent option. What people say. This product is a game changer for damaged hair, leaving it feeling soft and strong. I've noticed a significant reduction in breakage and frizz since using this product. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.